So interpretation of the defect in MPI, types of the defects. Here also the crack, lapse, seams, inclusion, and porosity. These all are the defects that we can find out with the help of the MPI. Okay, these all are the just the techniques with the help of that we can use. Okay, so indicating, I mean, we talk about the cracks, the linear accumulation of the particles. Okay, if we talk about the possible causes, fatigue and the building defects. We talk about the indication in MPI. If we talk about the laps and seams, then sharps, continuous lining, and defect in the forging or rolling process. These all are just their descriptions. Okay, you just need to know that these all are the defect types of defects that we can detect with the help of MPI. Now, the advantage and limitation of MPI. Okay, the advantages: detect the surface and the linear surface. Sorry, detect the surface and near the surface defects. I mean, surface and near to the surface. If some defect are there, it can detect. Simple, fast, and cost effective. Works on the large and complex shapes parts. Fluorescent MPI provides a high sensitivity. If we talk of sensitivity, means what? They are, if I mean, they are working very well. Okay, if a very small kind of defect would be there, then it can easily detect that. It is known as a sensitivity. Okay, how they are effective, and for the very small applications they can detect very very little size of defect also, that is known as sensitivity. Okay, so if you talk about the which one is a very high sensitivity, then the fluorescent MPI is very good. Okay, so limitations: only works on the ferromagnetic materials, not for the aluminum and copper etc. It would be not applicable, right? Cannot detect the deep internal defects. Surface verification is required, which is obvious. Okay, because we have seen in the steps. First step was to prepare the surface. We must have to make the surface smooth and dry. Okay, so magnetization might affect some of the components, example sensitive electronic parts. So this is the bad things, because due to the magnetizations some parts may get affected, and for that we must have to look take care of that. Okay, if that part are there, then we cannot use that as such a techniques. Okay, the application parts, okay, of application of the MPI in industries like aerospace, automotive, gas and oil and gas, manufacturing, and power plants. As you can see, in all the techniques that we are having the same applications, because these all are just a surface detecting techniques, and for the surface detecting techniques, all are the industries where we have to check out, we have to test the surface defects. That's why. Okay.